Hiccup by Mike Herold. Enjoy this comic book. Hiccups for breakfast. Rise and shine, Jamie. It's the big day of your school play. Jamie's not here. Would you like to leave a message? Speak at the beep. Time to get a move on, Jamie. Jamie who? What's going on? Grunt. School is cancelled. It was on the news. Why so worried? What if I forget my lines or fall off the stage or explode? Look, I made your favorite breakfast. Oh boy, I guess I could eat one teeny bite. Munch, munch, munch. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Hip. Uh-oh. Hic, 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 hic. By golly, that's a monster case of hiccups. Last time you had the hiccups, it lasted 2 whole days. Hic. My play will be ruined. I'm sure you'll figure something out. Hey, the bus is here. Good luck. Hic. Hic. I'm doomed. Hic. Oh no. Hiccups on the bus. Hic. Yikes, Jamie. Oh no, not on the day of my big play. I will cure you. The show must go on. For I, Jenna, am the big star. And I am in big trouble. Hic. Attention everyone. Jamie has the hiccups. And we need a cure. Hic, hic, hic. I've got an idea. Hold your breath for 6 minutes. 6? Come on, try it. Hic, 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 hic. He didn't do it right. Too bad. Totally. Drink 10 gallons of water. Close one eye and cover one ear. Spin around for 30 minutes. Pour soda on your head. Hold your tongue for an hour. Eat 100 jalapeno peppers. Say the alphabet backwards. Hic! None of the hiccups cures worked. Hic! We're doomed. Hic! Don't be silly. I've got plenty of ideas. We're just getting started. Ring, 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 ring. Come on, let's ask Mr. Beakerbottom. He knows everything. He's a super genius. The 𝐾𝐸𝐸𝐲 3000. Mr. Beakerbottom, we have a problem. I can solve any problem. What is it? Hic! Ooh. I see you need to cure your hiccups. Only a genius could do that. Hic! Luckily, you're talking to one. Behold, my cabinet of curiosities. These are my greatest inventions. Cool! Awesome! And this is the 𝐾𝐸𝐸𝐲 3000. The extra super fast spinning action makes hiccups fly away. Just so you know, I get car sick a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Now, fasten your seat belt. Hic! This is really weird. Hic! I feel hic! So dizzy! My brilliant plan worked. Jamie is cured. Hic, 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 hic. I see. Maybe you need to spin faster. That's okay, thanks. I have a better idea. Let's ask Coach Bloat. Coach Bloat, hic, the strongest man in school? The hiccup workout. Coach Bloat, we need your help. Wait, don't tell me I'm great at guessing. Hic, your dog ate your gym shorts. Hic, hic. The basketballs are too round. Hic, hic. There's baloney in your tennis shoes. Jamie has the hiccups. I've got it. Jamie has the hiccup. Hic. Looks like it's time for Coach Bloat's Super Sports Cure. I'm really more into video games. Hic. Not anymore. Let's go. That's it. Hold that pose. Keep your chin up. Pump those knees. Now slam dunk. You're cured. Hic, 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 hic. Sorry, sport. There's always next season. Hic. Ring, ring, ring. Lunchtime. Let's go ask lunch lady Linda. Cool. Hic. Can I get tater tots? hiccups for lunch. Lunch lady Linda. Jamie has the hiccups and we need a cure. Don't worry, kiddo. Lunch lady Linda's hiccup surprise never fails. You got a salad? Gross. Hey, no cutting. Add some sloppy Joe mix and a dash of chocolate milk, a glob of yesterday's meatloaf, a squirt of ketchup and mustard, toss in broccoli and Brussels sprouts and mix, mix, mix. Try it. No way, this smells like wet socks. Jamie, we need to do this for the play. Here, I'll try it with you. Really? Thanks, Jenna. Blah! Wait, maybe you didn't have enough. Want some more? No thanks. Ring, ring, ring. I'm going to ruin the play. Don't give up yet. We're smart. If we put our heads together, we'll think like one brain. Any ideas? Nope. Oh no, it's time for the play. Gasp. Maybe changing your costume will cure you. Wow, we're totally out of ideas. Hiccups on stage. Oh no, my starring moment will be ruined. And look at that crowd. Wowza. Think, Jenna, think. What would really scare Jamie's hiccups away? I've got it. There's just enough time for a good luck kiss. Gross. No way. Ah. Hey, where'd he go? There you are. Don't be a baby. Ah. Smooch. I have cooties, girl germs. Yuck. It's slimy. Call a doctor. Blah. Wait a second. My hiccups are gone. The star has cured you. Let's do the show. A hiccup-free performance. Bravo. Encore. Yahoo! Hooray! We did it, and I was the big star. I'm so excited. Uh-oh. Rats. Now I have the hiccups, but at least I know the cure. Wait, stop. I have another idea. Lick a frog, climb Mount Everest, grow a mohawk, put underwear on your head, chew bubblegum upside down, dance like a chicken, anything but kisses. The end. What about you? When was the last time you had hiccups and how did you get rid of it? Let me know in the comment section below and share with me the last experience you have with hiccups. Afterwards, when you're ready, I'll see you in the next story time for some more reading fun. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.